आपको डेली बेसिस पे कुछ सेंटेंसेस फॉर्म करने हैं और बेस्ड ऑन sentences you have to practice. Drill 7 articles and preposition and conjunction, which is very important, perfect for learning English language, for speaking English language. Hello everyone, if you want to do mastery in 2026, so here I prepared some rule and you can say a strategy to learn English language, to become fluent in English in 2026. Okay, so yes, if you wanna enhancement your English skills, so here are some vital tricks and tips. If you apply, definitely you can learn English language in 2026. Okay, so hello everyone, my name is Sonia Singh and I'm from Uttar Pradesh, and recently I have done my graduation and now my main focus is to learn English language. And what I have learned, all things I wanna share with you, who people are in their journey, learning English journey. Maybe what vital rules, what tips and tricks, what thing I felt while learning English language. If I share with you, then maybe it can help you to improve your English, to enhancement your English skills. Okay, so let me show you what I have prepared for you. So if I tell the truth, so yes, I made learning English chart. How can you learn English language in 2026? You can say I made chart. So if you follow with consistently the all rules, so believe me, no one can't stop you to be fluent in English. Okay, so let me show you. I have one marker which is black and I have one duster also. I wrote all rules on whiteboard, which I'm going to show you. Okay, first let me put this all thing. This is duster, this is marker, and this is pen. Okay, so I'm going to show you a whiteboard chart which is made by my hand. आपको उल्टा दिख रहा है. Anyway, let me read this. If you want, then you can also note in your notebook that in 2026 how you can make some vital rules that you can improve your English, that you can communicate with people in English with confidently. So these all rules I have written on this whiteboard. So my friends, first let me read this all vital rules that you can note. If you wanna note in your notebook, then you can note also in your notebook, which I wrote on this whiteboard. Okay, because you all are not able to see this full chart. Okay, so now I'm going to read this all vital rule that you can note in your notebook. And first of all, listen carefully. So first serial, English alphabets A to Z, pronunciation, vowels and consonants. So listen, when you would start your learning journey, so first you are moderate level. Okay, so you know very well alphabet, pronunciation, what is pronunciation, what is vowels. Just you have to improve your pronunciation. Okay, this is first phase, first serial. And second serial, basic vocabulary, daily use words can be related to family, schools and objects. Okay, so basic vocabulary words you have to improve each and every day. Okay, some vocab words you can learn each and every day, but you no need to worry about anything. Just gradually you have to learn. Okay, and third serial, basic sentences. तो डेली बेसिस पे कुछ सेंटेंसेस फॉर्म करने हैं और बेस्ड ऑन सेंटेंसेस यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस. ओके, और serial 4, part of speech. Part of speech, noun and pronoun. What is noun, what is pronoun? And if I say in one sentence, noun is the name of any place and any person names. Okay, or serial 5, tenses. So you have to learn some basic tenses, not deeply, just you have to learn what thing is important for speaking perspective. That all things you have to learn, like tenses, just you have to know some basic rules. Okay, and serial 7, articles and preposition and conjunction, which is very important, perfect for learning English language, for speaking English language. Okay, like an, at, in, on, the, ये सब चीज़ें कहाँ कैसे कब हम यूज कर सकते हैं, ये आपको क्लियर करना है. एंड सीरियल 8, sentence making. It can be negative, negative and affirmative. It can be any sentences. Okay, and serial line में common mistakes, error correction, sentence practice. You have to sentence practice more and more. Okay, and common mistakes, wherever you do mistakes, so first of all you have to clear them. And error correction, you pick up some error correction for your practice. And serial 10, daily conversation, home, school, friends. It can be related home, school and friends. Daily conversation kariye with your friends and at your home in your family member, and so you can practice with your school friends. And serial 11, स्पीकिंग स्किल्स, वोकेबुलरी बिल्डिंग्स. ओके, डेली वोकेबुलरी आपको लर्न करना है. एंड फ्लुएंसी प्रैक्टिस, फॉर इंग्लिश फ्लुएंसी यू हैव टू स्पीक मोर एंड मोर. वट एवर यू हैव योर सराउंडिंग्स, just you have to speak more and more so that you could improve your fluency very soon. Okay, serial 12, so reading, writing, short stories and paragraph writing. Short stories you can listen in your mobile phone. Okay, and short story you can write in your notebook. And paragraph writing, each and every day you have to write some short paragraph. When you write some short and simple paragraph of English, then your concept clear. So you have to make habit to write short simple paragraphs. And confidence building, and each and every day you should not think like I can't do this, I'm not able to learn to speak in English. So don't think like this, just you have to think positive. Okay, if you think positive, then you get positive energy. Okay, and serial 13, daily practice routine. Daily practice routine, it's a most important. If you practice daily only, then your English skills can enhance. So reading practice 30 minutes each and every day, and listening practice 15 minutes each and every day at least. Okay, and speaking practice 15 minutes. If you want, then you can increase this time of speaking practice. You can 20 minutes speaking practice each and every day. Okay, and here I wrote something, practice. I can do anything for my motivation. I can become fluent in English. I can speak English confidently. I will never give up, and I am positive and creative and hard working persons. Okay, so these all things I have written on this whiteboard, and this whiteboard I'll stick on my wall so that I could see each and every day, so that I could get positive energy. Or yes, I challenged myself, I have to become fluent in English in 2026. What I have learned till the days, I have to learn more than this. I have to learn more than this, and each and every day I learn something new. And if you ask me till yet what is important, what is vital things in these all rules, so I would say these all things is important perspective for speaking English. But if you know basic things, then first of all you have to work on prepositions, conjunction, noun, pronoun, and some basic sentences structure, and practice and daily conversation, vocabulary words, some basic and some advanced words. And the main thing is, if you speak English with simple and short sentences, not so it is not matter that it is simple and short sentence. No, if you speak with confidently short and simple sentences, so it's better than you speak English with fear. Okay, so from today, enhance your vocabulary, enhance your speaking English, and enhance your confidence. So yes, my friend, that's the thing I wanted to share with you in this video. So in 2026, enhance your English skills and become fluent in English. And I'm not telling for only English. If you want to develop other skills, so yes, it can be other skills. So in 2026, don't waste your time. Make learning chart, and serial by serial, keep learning and do something marvelous in 2026. Okay, so yes, just I would say keep practicing and keep learning. And yes, if you hadn't subscribed this channel yet, so please do subscribe the channel and we'll meet in the next lecture. And if you have any suggestion for me, then you can suggest to me by comment below this video. Definitely I'll try my level best.